Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Babbel. So let me take you to the website, which is babbel.com. For the ones who don't know about them, babbel.com is a leading language learning platform that offers 14 languages with easy, real-life focused lessons you can complete in just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Designed by language experts and voiced by native speakers, it helps you improve conversation, vocabulary, and pronunciations with interactive tools. Perfect for learners of all levels, Babbel makes language learning fast, practical, and effective for travel, work, or personal growth. So what you're waiting for? You can come to the website, explore all about them, and come to the footer section to see the list of languages. So these are the courses. And if you want to learn any of these languages, what you're waiting for, subscribe to them and start learning these languages. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Babbel. Possible? Why not? Simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? I couldn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to them and you can be part of the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? It seems you would only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from the consumer of United States of America. All right, so how do you apply for the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called flexoffers.com. Now, what is Flex Offers and what does that have to do with Babbel? So Flex Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Babbel, we must create an account with Flex Offers as an affiliate and we must apply to the affiliate program through Flex Offers given published dashboard. Now, Flex Offers calls affiliate as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you create an account with them? Simply click on Get Started button from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, click on Sign Up within Publishers and Affiliate. It will then take you to the registration steps. Complete all these steps and get yourself an account with Flex Offers. Now I understand there are many nuances involved when registering yourself with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Flex Offers affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and complete the registration. And once you have completed the registration, you can come to the website once again, click on Login, and click on Publish a Login. Enter your credentials on the login page, and then it will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard or Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you will be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Babbel. But the focus of this video is just the affiliate program of Babbel. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar, click on Advertiser, and click on Advertiser Search. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down and within Advertiser program name, you can start typing Babbel. And once you've found them, click on their name and click on Search. It will open the tile and you would be able to see more details. For example, the payout is 16% of subscription and Babbel gifts. Restrictions apply. And if you want to apply to the affiliate program, you can choose from your traffic source. I'm going to go with my YouTube channel and click on apply with selected. It will open an overlay window. Over here, you get to see more details. You can click on program terms to read the program terms. And over here, you can see the bifurcation of the commission rate, but it is 16% on the sale amount, of course, the subscription amount. And then you can click on yes, I agree to the terms and conditions above and click on apply to program. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Babbel will go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. Once you have been approved, you'll be notified via an email, and after getting the approval, you can come to your Flex Offers affiliate account once again. Once you're here, you can again click on Advertiser, click on Advertiser Search, and this time instead of searching for Babbel, you could do with Babbel, or you could also click on application status and click on approve and then click on search. What this will do, it will show you the list of all your approved brand, including Babbel. So these are my approved brands. In your case, once you have been approved by Babbel, you would be able to see them listed in here. All right, so after getting the approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link or generate tracking link. How do you generate one? For that, you can come to the homepage of Flag Surface affiliate account once again and scroll down till this section, quick link generator. And within advertiser search bar, you can search for Babbel. But in my case, I'm still waiting for them, so I'm gonna go with Bluehost. So you can select Babbel in here, and then you can select your traffic source. And once you have selected it, you can mention the URL that you want to convert to a tracking link. Let's say I want to convert this homepage to a tracking link. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste this link in here, and then I'm going to click on generate. When I do that, it should create a tracking link for me. But since I'm trying to create the tracking link of Babbel using advertiser Bluehost, so that's why I'm getting this error message. In your case, assuming you have selected the advertiser as Babbel and you've mentioned one of the Babbel URL in here, it should not create a problem. Let's say you don't want to create your tracking link, but rather you want to use the given or available tracking links. For that, you can click on links from here, from the left hand side menu bar, and click on link search. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can select your traffic source. You can select advertisers, so search for Babbel, but still we are waiting for them to review and approve. So I'm going to go with Bluehost. So you can search for Babbel once you have been approved, and within content type, you can choose either text link, banners, or widget. Just for the demo, I'm going to go with banners and then click on search. What it will do, it will provide the banner links of Bluehost. In your case, if you would have selected Babbel here and the content type as banners, you would be able to see all their banner links. So let's say you like this banner, you can click on view link, and over here you will have three options. You can copy this URL if you like. You can click on HTML to get the HTML link code so that you can integrate it from the backend of your website. You can also click on image to get the image URL. Let's say if you want to shorten this tracking link of yours, simply click on make this a short link. It will convert this link to a short link. So you can also copy and share it with your audience. So this is how you can either create your tracking links or use the available link types. All right, so the next question arises, where can you promote Babbel? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have gotten the approvals, you can promote them maybe on the homepage or a category page. Wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic, you can start promoting them to that section of your website. Second is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different languages available on Babbel, and within those blog posts, you can put your tracking link. So this way, when people would read your content, if they like it, they'll click on it and they will buy the subscription. You will receive the commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because you could write shorts, reels, videos, posts, and put the link somewhere either in the description or maybe in the comment section. So this way, when people would consume those content, they could click on the link and you would receive commission if they buy the subscription of Babbel. Fourth way, which I feel like is more suited here, is the education website. Let's say as an affiliate, if you got an education website, maybe you create a standalone section to learn languages, different languages. So when people would come to those sections, they would be able to explore different options available. Maybe you might want to highlight the options available at Babbel for different languages and integrate your tracking link from the backend. So this is how you can attract different audience to click on different links that you must have integrated on your website for Babbel. And if they will subscribe for those courses, you could end up getting commission. Right, so these are some of the ways you can start promoting them. What about the performance? Let's say you started bringing subscriptions to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the homepage once again, the homepage of Flagsurfer's affiliate account, or rather the publisher dashboard. Once here, look at the left-hand side menu bar, and this time click on reports and click on performance. You can select the traffic source, use performance by that ranges, trend, and click on generate report. It will generate the report and you would be able to see the performance. To see the transaction, within reports, click on transaction details and select the options from here and generate the report, and you would be able to see the transactions. And to see the accumulated commission, you can click on account balance from reports, and over here you would be able to see the accumulated commission in your publisher account with Flax offers for Babbel and of course for other brands. And to receive this accumulated commission, you must update your payment settings. And how do you update it? For that, you can look at the top right hand side, and within the drop down near to your ID, you can click here, you can click on payment settings. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can give your address details and then you can come to the payment methods tab and you will have four payment methods to choose from. You got local bank transfer, wire transfer. If you choose any of these options, you have to give your banking details. Then you got check. In this case, your address will be used. And then you can also select PayPal and give your PayPal email address. So this is how you can choose any of these payment method and complete the details accordingly. And then click on next, which will then take you to the text form tab. Select the text form accordingly and complete the other prompts as well. Ensure you have completed all these four steps for the payment methods to get successfully updated. And once you have updated your payment settings, you can expect to receive commission from Flex offers for all the subscriptions or sales you must have brought to Babbel. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Babbel. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Babbel. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.